Hello. Gosh, the hurdles I've been having in making these videos, especially 7 and 4. I mean, Rahu and Ketu, they have to create problems, right? So I deleted the earlier video that I had done in the park, and I had to make this new video because I made a tiny mistake, which is not that, not about what I said, but what I said about Rahu and Ketu, that Rahu is the body of the snake. No, it is not. It is the head of the snake. And that is the reason I had to make this video all over again. I'm sorry about the trouble, and happens when Mercury is retrograde and things like that. But okay. So let's start with Rahu. Let's start with number 4. Rahu and Ketu, please forgive me. So number 4 people are connected to Rahu. They are connected to Mother Earth. And because they are connected to Mother Earth, they are very materialistic people, very practical, logical, balanced, and grounded people. They have sunken eyes, and their eyes crinkle when they smile. And they have robust health, round head, broad forehead, square face. And the health issues with these people are all about nails, teeth, bones, rheumatoid, arthritis, lungs, skin issues, and stress. That is one thing, because unfortunately number 4 people have that little bit of issue with finance. And why they have, oh God, okay. Instagram is just not happening. I mean, on the phone, I've been trying to record it separately on the phone, but well. So coming back to number 4. Number 4 people are very hardworking, but they can be extremely lazy. And when I say lazy, I mean procrastination. They can really procrastinate, and they can keep putting things off. That is one thing that they need to fight. And they are very detail oriented, which is why they, in certain hardworking and detail oriented, that is the reason they do very well in certain jobs and in certain careers. When it comes to career, they do very well in archaeology, astronomy, numerology. They do very well in astrology. They can be very good healers. They can be very good chefs. They can be very good mathematicians, philosophers, writers, lyricists. Not only lyricists, but especially musicians. They can do very well with instrumental music, so musical instruments. They can be very good accountants, financiers, and they can do very well with construction, architecture, maybe even interior decoration if it includes breaking down of stuff and redecorating a house, or, rebuilding a house and stuff like that. Other than that, these people are very disciplined and organized. And since I said detail oriented, so they do very well with carving. They do very well with pottery. When I say pottery, it also includes chinaware. They can be very good artists because it is detail oriented, and they are very punctual, honest, and faithful people. So these are people you can trust completely. So they do very well as admins, secretaries, personal assistants. They do very well with anything to do with Mother Earth, which is making roads, civil engineers, motor engineers, and motor mechanics, and designing of motors, vehicles. Those caravans, the house on wheels kind of thing. These people are very good at designing them, making them, and also, if they would do well if they are on that also, depending on what are the other numbers in their chart. Now, these people are not people who actually would probably like to travel a lot. They like to be stable, but generally they are the caretakers and providers of the house. They are very responsible and very dependable. So these are people who are not expressive. Their way of expressing their love or emotions is very different. If they're angry, they would go silent. If they are, they care for you, they would make sure that you have everything that you need. And they're very physical people, since it's related to Mother Earth. So they would not probably be very expressive vocally as far as their love is concerned. But physically, yes, they can be very expressive. PDA, I don't think they like that. But everything has to be secretive. They can be extremely possessive. Protective is more like it. So when they're possessive, they're actually being protective. They're not being possessive. Money is very important to them because they know what it takes to earn that every penny. They are real hard workers. That is the reason they can come across as misers, but they're only being very practical, and they do not believe in brands. They can be extremists. It's either this way or that way. There is no middle path for them. Other than that, these people can be a little kinky when it comes to bedroom pleasures, and they can be extremely sensual in their own way. All those people who are into, tattoos and piercings, these are the people who would be more into it. Now, other than that, they can be very good lawyers. They can be very good engineers. They can be extremely good surgeons and doctors, because they're very deft with their hands. So they being detail oriented, those cosmetologists or cosmetic surgeons, they will do very well in that, because reconstructing anything, especially physical form, is prosthetics. They would do well in. Now, when it comes to NGOs and things like that, they are nature-driven people. They love nature. They love animals. Animals love them, and they could do very well as vets. They could do, be social activists. Of course, if certain numbers support them. As far as environment is concerned, Mother Earth is concerned, animals are concerned, mangroves, forests, and things like that. They can be very good gardeners. Farmers will always generally have this number somewhere or the other. Farmers, they do very well as farmers. That is, anything related to the land is something they should focus on. Of course, what according to their other numbers only will show up when you do an analysis. That is when you would know what they can be good at. Now, as in what they could be best at. They can be good at a lot of things, but what are they best at? That the collective analyzation of their entire chart will show. Now, these people are very good accountants, organizations of religious, heads of religious organizations, because these people can be religious fanatics, or they would be complete aesthetics or not aesthetics, atheists, and they would be more spiritually inclined. And even if they do study religion or they follow a certain kind of religion, they would still be very practical and have respect for the other religions if the number is placed in a nice place. Otherwise, they could be extreme fanatics. Coming on the negative side, these people can also be frauds, hypocrites, cheaters, liars, thieves, criminals, rapists, murderers, and they would not have it on their conscience. So these, all those pedophiles and stuff, somewhere down the line, they would probably have this number somewhere. So, the number can come somewhere in the name, somewhere in the date of birth, or maybe in one of the sum totals of both of them combined. Of course, it has to have some other numbers supporting it if they have to be in this line. Okay, I forgot about weed and I forgot about drugs. These people, either they go into depression and end up doing drugs, or they get into drugs and then go into depression. So that is one thing about them, that they go into depression very fast. So that is the reason they always need to be doing something. You have to keep them busy. You have to keep them on their toes. You have to make sure that you hold them, or not hold them responsible, but give them some kind of responsibility, because these people can be extremely responsible people. Always make sure they're busy with something so that they do not go into depression. Other than that, when we come to colors, it can be orange, brown, beige, smoky, gray or smoky black, silver, khaki, mustard, electric blue, and it could be also black, maybe not jet black, but, different shades of black. And when it comes to house number, the house will have stability, but there may be, the breadwinner of the house may have certain problems with their job and with the finances. So it is always a good idea to get an analysis done, because it's not just the house number. It is the whole address. It is the nameplate outside your house that makes a difference, which can balance it out. And there are other remedies that can be done. If you have seen my posts about house numbers, you will understand what I'm talking about. Now, when it comes to phone numbers, these people can have very cut-to-cut work-related conversations. It will be not long conversations, since they're not very expressive, and the phone will be used more for work than for anything else. Car numbers so the car will be used for work. Generally, mostly that. I mean, even if it is something to do with a family, it is very specific that, okay, we are going out for so-and-so and then back. And I doubt that this car will ever go for long road trips or something like that, unless it is specifically for work. Other than that, if it is a car number, phone number, house number, done. Okay. So I just want to make sure I have not left out anything and not made any mistakes like the way I did last time. But yes, I am facing a lot of hurdles when it comes to making videos on 7 and 4. And I hope this is the end of the hurdles. And after this, I will come up with number 8, because there are a lot of similarities between 4 and 8. 8 is a higher octave of 4. If you have enjoyed this video, if you like it, if you resonate with it, please share it with other number 4s. If not, if you haven't, maybe the other people would like to hear about their numbers. So whatever their numbers are, I have already done a few, and some are going to come up very soon, like the 6 and 8 is yet to come up. So that was about number 4. If you are new to my channel and not subscribed already, I would request you to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified about the upcoming videos if you wish. And if you need a personal appointment, of course, you know where to get in touch with me. My email address is right there below this video. Also, my website is in my bio, and you can always WhatsApp me, Telegram me, and get in touch with me. You can call me. My website is skinny aneja.com. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Take care.